Welcome to Permanent Magnets Limited. This is installation video of LED Endolight Aura. The standalone Aura can be kept on a trolley next to the vitrectomy machine. This is the Aura on-off switch. This is the intensity control. And this is the optic holder for holding the optic pipe. This is the power cord, and this is the foot switch for switching off and on the Aura from the surgeon's seat. Let us now power on the Aura. I am putting this switch on and the fan will start. The fan cools the unit even when the front panel switch is off. Let us start this unit and the Aura is powered on. Let us go for the intensity control. I am at full intensity. I am now at 50% intensity. This is the 75%. I can switch this on and off from the foot switch. I can start this on when I need it. I can put it off when not required. So this is for conservation of light. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit our website www.pmlindia.com.